when you fertilize and then it rains for days. Look at how long that is. Watching a squirrel run in the grass today, and you couldn't even see him. He had to hop through the yard. And then we got a project here going. We're digging it up all along here because too much mud comes out. This is my flower bed. Oh, that dirt. Put plastic, lined it right along there, and then we'll fill it back in with dirt. And then we can till it up and put flowers in it again this year. Looks pretty bad right now, but give it a week.